A very varied career, both in product design, engineering design, lighting design, engineering and manufacture, and now in sales. Started my lighting journey over 30 years ago, where I was involved in some signature projects back in the UK. Moved across into manufacturing, where I was also a lighting design engineer. Acoulite's quite a unique lighting and acoustic design and supply organisation. Back in 2005 when we set up, there was a lack of support to the A&D community from a lighting and acoustic perspective, and we saw that as a great opportunity. So we set that up with a view to work with all of the stakeholders involved in the creative process of a project, and we focus predominantly on fit-out projects in various different sectors. Very strong in both commercial, hospitality, food and beverage, but we also branch out into other elements of that. We work with some stakeholders in sort of civil build, where we have the right level of stakeholder relationships, and we also do things like high-end residential projects. I think there's been a real shift probably over the last 18 months towards wellness, and so we've aligned ourselves obviously over the years with energy efficiency, and the introduction of things like LEDs have helped us sort of achieve some of those goals. There's now more of an emphasis on the actual working space itself as well, to make sure that it's right for people and it works for people. So approaching it, and as you can see within our environment here, having recently sort of moved here like this time last year, we thought this was quite representative of who we are as an organisation and what we actually do. So you'll see there's a lot of acoustics throughout the space. We have colour temperature changing lighting as well, which is all part of some of the LEED and WELL regulations. We've recently completed a few WELL certified projects with some high-end clients, and there seems to be a shift and an acknowledgement that that is really a trend that is moving forward. Especially, we're influenced heavily, I think, by what happens in Europe and the US, and everything there is about sustainability, about wellness, and elements of creativity that can make workplaces and spaces suitable for the people that use them. I think Dubai in general, just looking at Dubai and lighting in particular, when we started 18 years ago, and I keep going back to that as a reference point, there weren't many companies that did what we did as a design and supply route to market. There are now many companies that do very good work. Unfortunately, some of those they are all our competitors. But I think we should be proud of what we've achieved and how the industry has changed overall. It's my job to keep the team here inspired so that we keep doing the good things that we continually do. But I think lighting as a whole the whole creative side of lighting and creativity in design has really had a bit of an explosion, I think, certainly in Dubai, and that will probably obviously then manifest into other countries in the region. And for us, obviously, we set ourselves big objectives every year, and we achieved a lot of them in 2022. We moved into the new office that you see here, which we rebranded, which we felt was something that was right. And we've done a lot of things, good things internally, where we've looked at our processes and to make ourselves more operationally efficient. We're still going to continue. That's a long journey that we all engage with here, and that involves every one of the team. All employees, all departments are actively engaged in ways of improving that.